Hello, guys. Um, Oftentimes you want to buy a device and you go to the dealer and begin to ask what is the capacity, the hard drive, this, that. Do you know actually that those questions can be you can answer those can answer those questions by yourself without necessarily um, getting to know it from the dealer because sometimes those dealers can deceive you because they want to make a sell because they want to sell their product. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. DIY, do it yourself. You can actually check to confirm the capacity of that very laptop you want to buy, that very computer you want to buy on your own without asking anyone. So let's get into it, and then let me show you how you can really do that. So I'm going to show you uh, possibly the shortest way you can do it. First of all, what you need to do is to go straight to the computer and then press this this window button. You press it and together with R, something like this will pop up. Something like this will pop up. Then you type MX info 32. You enter. Sorry. Okay. MX info 32. You enter. As soon as you enter your key, this window will display. And in this window, it's going to show you everything that you need to know. The operating system name, the version, if there's any other operating system, the manufacturer, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so forth. It's going to show you how many the system type, which is 64 here. It's going to show you the processor size. As you can see, it's going to show all this information, you know, that you needed to to have in making your decision. It's going to show you the the memory size, which is here is 8 gig and so on. And when you scroll down, you see all the necessary information that you need in order for you to make your decision. So this is the way you can do it for yourself without asking anyone. So the same way I typed it, I can also get the same information by simply clicking at the start button, click, and then type the same. As soon as you put your M, it will show you the system information. Then you click, everything pops out. That is the way you can actually do it for yourself without necessarily asking the dealer. So on your it on your Windows button, as soon as you press it, another way to do it again, press your window button, then automatically your cursor will be there. And what do? You press MX info. And then you see, as I press that, what do you see? System information. You click, the information will pop out. So that is the way you can actually be able to check the capacity of your system without asking information about the system you want to buy, without asking the dealer, to avoid someone deceiving you. Thank you so much. Please remember to watch, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.